Good evening, friends. This is me, Anjali, and today, in this evening, I am going to deliver a little bit thought which would be beneficial for my side, for others, and I hope that saying this video, you will consider yourself on that place and remind yourself where you have acquired bad habits and good habits. So, in this video, the whole thing which I am going to talk about habits. So habits, what are habits? Firstly, I would like to tell what are habits. So habits are those things, like we do many things, many activities in our life on daily basis, but someday we do another activity and someday a little bit different, but that is not considered under the category of habits. Habits are those things which you follow on your daily basis and with while maintaining the continuity. So continuity, if here are present, you will consider that activity under the category of habits. So habits are, like you have seen, there are two phases of coins, and likewise that there are two phases of habits, which is good habits and second is bad habits. Good habits does not acquire easily. It takes time to acquire, but bad habit people easily acquire. In the surrounding, in the society in which you are living, you have seen many people, like in the gathering, if someone is smoking and other will instigate other person to acquire that, and that person, in some mood of emotional fool, they they are, people who are smoking, and if they are instigating other person, they are making them emotionally full to involve into that category of habits. So that person will easily acquire bad habits, even the person don't know. In the upcoming days, that person will not give them resources that is related to that activity, and that person have to purchase their self, not other will give them. So bad habits people easily acquire, but good habits takes time to acquire, and people don't know. If any person involved into bad habits, and if you say to him to get good habits, involved into good habits, like in the morning, you will never see people's like doing yoga and meditation, and only a few person you have seen in your society, they are pursuing this type of good habits, and this is a good thing for their health. They don't know, they know the good things, but they don't want to put their hearts to acquire that, because something, good thing is for getting good things, pain, they realize painful activity, they mind it painful activity, so that they don't know that good habits are, wow, to get good habits, it's painful, and it's painful, but it would be fruitful. It would be fruitful for many times, and that is the thing. So with this, I would like to consider only one thing: you should not have to involve into bad habits. You have to promise yourself, like you will